Hi everyone, the 13 essential Windows shortcuts that everyone should know to make their life easier. Number one is the copy shortcut, which lets you copy a selection on your page. So let's look at my notepad and I have a sample paragraph. So if I wanted to copy a selection on my page, so let's say I select the first line and I would like to copy this line, I could right click on it and select copy, or I could just hold down my control key and click on the C key on my keyboard, and that basically copies this selection. Number two is paste, which basically lets you paste something on your page or drop something you have already copied. So like on my first shortcut, I copied this line. Now if I go anywhere on the page and hold down the control and click on the V key on my keyboard, that will basically paste my copied line. Number three is undo. So undo lets you undo your last changes. So if I hold down on my control key and click on the Z key on my keyboard, that will basically undo my last change. And if I keep doing that, it will keep undoing all the changes I have made. Number four is select all. So if I want to select everything on this page, I could hold down the control key and click on the A key on my keyboard, and that will basically select everything on the page. Number five is cut. So if I want to cut something on this paragraph, I could select that and I could just hold down the control key and click on the X key on my keyboard, and that basically cuts that selection. Number six is find. If I want to find a word on this page, I could hold down the control and click on the F key on my keyboard, and that will bring up a window where I could type the string I would like to search for. So if I coolness and hit enter, that will basically find the word I was looking for. Number seven is the change window, and that will basically change the Windows orientation. So like, let's say I would like to maximize this window. So if I hold down the Windows key and at the same time click on the arrow up key, that will maximize my window. Now if I click and hold the Windows key and click on the arrow down, that will bring back my windows the way it was. Now let's say I want to put my window to the right, I could hold down the Windows key again and click on the right arrow, and that will put it on my right side. If I do the left side, hold down the Windows key again and click on the left arrow, and that will, and do it 2 times, and that will bring it to the left side. Number 8 is open task view. If you hold down the Windows key and click on the tab key on your keyboard, that will bring up your task view and you get to see all of your open applications, and from here you could select whatever one you like. Number 9 is display and hide desktop. So if you like to hide everything that is being displayed right now, you just hold down the Windows key and click on the D key, and that will minimize everything. Now if you would like to unminimize everything, hold down the Windows key again and click on D, and that will bring everything back the way it was. Number 10 is switching between open applications. So if you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and at the same time click on the Tab key, That will bring up this window where you will, if you keep clicking on tab, you get to select whichever application you would like to see. So I could select my WordPad, I could select my browser, and I could go back to my WordPad. Number 12 is opening the quick link menu, and that's mainly for Windows 10 and 11. So if you hold down the Windows key and at the same time click on the X key on your keyboard, that will bring up the quick menu and you get to select whatever you like from here. So I could select on settings, and that will bring up settings. Number 13 is locking your PC. You could hold down the Windows key and at the same time click on the L key, and that will lock your Windows. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching.